All right, we're getting going seeding. I'm in here mixing this bacteria into this tender with some water. We usually do 2 gallons an acre of the bacteria that we'll brew up, and then 3 gallons of water through that liquid setup. But one of the most interesting things that I've discovered this year is variable speed water pumps. So I got this. This is kind of a Chinese knockoff one. So you can see on the plate here. HLSVP, I think is what it's called. But this thing will move. I timed it. It's moving about 100 gallons a minute of water with some head pressure on it, which is really quite good. But the most amazing thing is it's doing this with a 110 volt plug-in with about 14 gauge wire in there on a 15 amp circuit in the wall. So you'll see as I turn this pump on how incredibly quiet this thing is and how soft it ramps up. So now you're seeing it ramping up. I'll show you the RPMs as it's clicking up here. And that thing will end up at about, I think, 2,900 RPMs. And at that pump is moving about 100 gallons a minute of water. You're hearing a pump in the background too, with some of the noise in here, but that is as noisy as this thing gets, moving 100 gallons per minute of water on very, very little electricity. So pretty cool. You could run that off a little generator or plug it into any 110 outlet, move that volume of water with that little bit of noise, and it can be ramped up and down too. So if at the end you want to feather it, like if we're loading the bacteria or something, want to get the amounts correct, we can feather it back just like you could a gas pump. So that, most of you guys probably already know about this variable speed stuff, but that blows my mind that you could use that little bit of power to move that much water with a pump like this.